remember when we were doing this program, I was working at NASA at that time, and Valamis was working with NASA and conducting research on some of these ideas. So we were experimenting with how do we make a company more productive? How do we identify these problems? And remember, one of the things that your team did was, how do you curate this knowledge? Because we spend so much time looking for information, right? And we have experts in our organization. We have knowledge within our organization. Now we use a learning platform to capture all that knowledge, to curate it using AI, and rapidly we can get just the right information. We spend an inordinate amount of time searching for the right information because the data is going up exponential. We're bombarding with information, the information age. But curating that and getting just the right information is key. Getting just the right subject matter expert to bring into your team to help solve that problem is incredibly useful and necessary. So just curating that information and making it easier to search, we proved to NASA that they could save tens of millions of dollars easily because people are wasting their time at work searching for the answers.
Yeah, AI plays really big role on that. Like super big, I have to say, and like adding like we talk about searching the like knowledge, searching the information, that's one thing, getting the right information, but also like maybe curating it just for you in your case as well. So there's a huge like potential there.